Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make Pabda fish in poppy seed or posto dana paste, which will be very tasty and can be made with very less ingredients and less time too. So let's check out with the recipe. Here, as you can see, these are the Pabda fish. First, we will season with some salt and some turmeric powder. Now coat the fish pieces very well with the salt and turmeric powder. And keep aside for 10 minutes. Now take a large non-stick pan and heat some mustard oil. When the oil is hot, add the fish pieces one by one and fry them until they are golden brown. The fish are fried golden brown and now I will take them off. In the same pan, add one large sliced onion and saute them until they are golden brown. Till the onions are fried, we will prepare the masala paste. For that, take a bowl and add less than 1 teaspoon of salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, less than 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Give it a mix. Add a little bit of water. Now mix well to form a smooth paste. The onions are fried light golden brown. At this stage, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute them well. Now add the spice mix. Add water bit by bit. Mix well to form a smooth consistency. Keep the flame on low to medium. All the spices are well combined now. Here you can see this is the poppy seed paste. You need to grind it really fine by adding a little bit of water. Here goes the paste. Mix well with the spices. Add a little bit of water. Once the gravy comes to a boil, add the fried Pabda fish one by one into the gravy. We will cook the fish in the gravy for another 5 to 6 minutes on low to medium flame by covering with a lid. This will allow the fish to absorb all the flavors of the gravy. Reduce the flame. After this, you can turn off the flame and the fish will be ready to be served. So friends, here is my Pabda fish with poppy seed paste. I have garnished with coriander leaves and green chillies. Serve this with hot steamed rice. Do try this tasty fish recipe, and if you like my today's video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the links for my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.